So this is Nora, and I'm trying to see if she'll make the noise. Make the noise. Yeah, it's recording. Nora, do that. Don't drill on yourself. That's inappropriate. No. Do it. Now she got the hiccups. It ain't gonna happen. Are you gonna slap me? Slap crazy. Go crazy. Knock her. Oh, you poor thing. BB. Oh, you're gonna burp hiccups. Do it, do it. Do the. Oh, I'm sorry. She can't do that. Normally, Nora does a sound. I don't know where she got it from, but I try to do it back to her because I think that's what she thinks language is. Yeah. 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 Okay, let's go this way. Oh, look at there. How you doing? You go. You're so funny. Ah! Let's open up another webpage so you're not looking at yourself and cheating. Because you cheat, you look at yourself until you say, oh, that's so pretty, and then you don't do nothing. But you do plenty when mommy's on the computer on Listia or on Neopets, or there's something growing in your ear. What is going on with this? You got ear fungus. Actually, it's earwax, but that's okay. It's an ear fungus. We pretend. Maybe we shouldn't pretend because then someone's going to call the CPS. That baby's got ear fungus. You're looking at the light. Still. Oh, crap. You're gonna. And your baby attacks the hiccups. I figured I'd do another Nora video. Because I haven't done one in forever. And I said she gets the hiccups. What is it? You get so excited because you're going to be on camera? Yeah. You're going to slap me. What are you doing? What is this? What is this? You don't know how to be nice? You see the hiccups. I'm waiting for you to throw up on me. You're going to throw up on me. You think it's so funny. You think it's funny. Yeah, there she goes. That's what she does all the time in the crib. She at people. And Dave thinks she's choking on something and he freaks out. Yeah? Oh, are you waving? Is that what you're doing? I hope you're waving because it looks like you're trying to get me. What is up? Maybe attacks mommy. You're supposed to attack me with kisses and giggles, not slaps to the face. That's not nice to mommy. Don't slap mommy. What are you doing? You're in the wrong hand too. Dude, tell him something. Can you laugh? Can you explain to them why you never have clothes on? It's because I throw up so much. I'm just tired of clothes. Do you see this? She just rolls all over everything. She had a bib on, but she rolled all over that. Oh, I know. I'm so mean. I take away your goo. What are you trying to do, Mary? Honey, you're more marinated than the turkey. Ooh, we're gonna start. Oh, bite me. You mad at me? You behave. I'll turn it into a dress and put it on you. You want to be a dress? You want to be in a dress? I will dress you. You're like, and I'll throw up on it to where you have to take it off. Yeah. Yeah, we're still having issues with her vomiting everywhere. But it's not that bad. It's not that bad. No, get mad. So mad. So mad. All the time. So grumpy. Oh, look at her standing up on me. There you go. Here, give me that. What's that? You got mommy's hair. So what happens when you rip out mommy's hair? What are you trying to do? Eat it? To eat my hair? You're not supposed to eat my hair. It's not nutritious. It's not baby food. Oh, let me see what you're looking at. Oh, that's baby butt. You don't need to be looking at my baby butt. Watch her drool on my face. Ah. Watch her hold me and go. She'll trap me. She'll trap me, and then she'll go and throw up in my face on purpose. Cause you're the evil baby genius. Yeah. Watch her. She'll hit me. Now she's looking at the baby. Who's that? What baby is that? Is that baby Nora? Ow. And now she's got my ear. Is that baby Nora? Is that baby Nora? Tell baby Nora hi. Tell her hi. Tell her hi. Tell her something. Tell the people something. Tell the YouTube something. No? You're gonna slap me and make bubbles. I don't know if you can see the full effect of the bubbles online. It's goo. It's never ending goo, baby. Things they don't tell you when you have kids. They goo. Lots of goo. Always. And you know I had one before this one, but I forgot about the goo factor. And each one of them was different. And she's got lots of goo. Always with the goo. They're always with the goo. And to bounce another tummy. So you don't get all look, chicken baby syndrome. No, that's really bad to joke about. Come on, we would never do that. She did bounce on me. Whoops, don't fall. Whoops. Look at the hiccups. Anybody got any cure for hiccups?